think I'm gonna do a little impromptu video right now. I was doing a shot for my meditation challenge, but I kind of feel really good right now, just being here at the beach. Lately, I've been feeling a whirlwind of emotions. I've been in the middle of my YouTube challenge, day 11, day 12, but today is kind of like, it's not a break because I'm filming 5 videos while I'm in Kamakura, but at the same time, it's nice. It's nice to be out here. I don't mind doing the filming. It feels extra fun actually to do it. Like going to nice places and just filming myself talk. It's one of my newfound activities that I just enjoy. But I guess I'm also thinking a lot about life lately in general. And recently I've been going through some stuff. It's a bit personal, so I'm not gonna really go into detail, but I've been quite down. And it's been rainy and cold, and I've been in my room a lot, editing, hours on end. I definitely, I was crying quite a lot last night, I'd say. Not because of the editing, for other reasons, personal reasons. And today, I feel good. I feel like yesterday was kind of needed to just release some things inside of me. Sort of allow myself to, at times, be weak, to cry, to just feel everything, you know? So I always tell myself, like, this is a line from one of my favorite book series, Stormlight Archive. Strength before weakness, strength before weakness. Strength over weakness as well, sometimes. This thing about being strong, but not in the sense like I'm hiding my emotions, but being strong in the sense that I'm still going. I'm still trying my best to do everything that I want. Still trying my best to care, to love, to feel, to be compassionate, to think about everything, accept everything. And I think lately I've been doing that really well. Like for myself and for the people I care about. Like I feel so connected with myself, and just allowing myself last night to finally feel and express weakness inside of me. It felt good. Like I got to release so much of something I was holding in. And now I feel like I'm back to my usual self, but a better version of him. A version that is able to take all the good parts of myself and proceed with that. I remember how back then I would like to just talk to random people all the time. Like if I ever met someone, I just expressed my thoughts. Not all the time, but sometimes. And these days I haven't really been doing that. These days I've been kind of sheltered, like almost hesitant and overthinking a lot of things. But I think back to a version of me that was able to just express, oh, I like that sticker on your luggage, or oh, I really like your hair, or just telling someone, like a stranger, you know, that I noticed something, like, oh, whenever someone wears really nice teal, like I always go up to them and be like, yo, I really like your shirt, or I really like your jacket, or whatever. I don't even think about it. I just do it because of how much I actually really love the color. I remember, I have so many distinct memories of going up to random people and telling them that I really like whatever color thing they have that's teal. And even these days I've been thinking, like with friends that I meet at the share house, I've been a little recluse, a little like closed off because of a lot of different reasons, but now I feel like I don't want to be like that anymore. I want to be like my natural self and just be open and express my thoughts and feelings and get to know people. And because I'm a curious person, and there's so many people in the share house that I find very interesting, but I haven't really been that version of me that asks a whole lot of questions and tries to interact. I've been sort of believing that I need to always just do my own thing on my own, because I've been so slow and behind for goals that I wanted to meet in my life. But I feel like I'm loosening up. I feel like I'm allowing myself to be happy again, overall, just happy without that chip on my shoulder, you know? Because I have been like enjoying my time here overall, but there was definitely something weighing me down inside of me. And I think I finally let that go last night. And when I was making a video earlier today talking about how like I feel behind in life, but it's okay because now I'm doing everything I can to reach the places I want to be. I'm giving it my all. Like literally 100%. Like I talk about it all the time, but it's thanks to like Zero Entertainment. It's like I'm giving all my time towards things that I want. So because I'm doing that, I shouldn't need to feel bad or like, yes, I am behind schedule, but because I'm on this grand adventure of trying to grab everything I want, like giving it everything, I feel like it gives me room to be kind to myself. Like for once, honestly, in my life, I just feel like it's okay. I don't need to be so harsh. I think also the meditations have been helping too. Just like the recent ones where like you think about pain or you breathe in pain and you breathe out like relief, and other ones where like you remember certain memories. And actually technically I did it wrong. I was supposed to remember a place and I remembered my childhood home, and then a whole bunch of memories came about. But these meditations have definitely been connecting me with myself a lot more. I'm really enjoying this challenge actually. You know, something about meditation seems a little gimmicky sometimes, but honestly, it's been nice. But I will say, things have been turbulent. And there were days like this where I felt a lot better, and then days where I felt very sad. And I think that's okay. I'm just gonna keep going, keep trying. I'm sure there will be a lot more sad days, you know, ahead, but today is a good day. And I'm gonna let myself enjoy that, you know? Just make random videos again, like these. I haven't done that in a while actually, just walk and talk videos. I am making a vlog for Kamakura, but it's not really a walk and talk video. Neither is this one, it's a sit and talk. But yeah, I'm feeling good. Feeling like I'm finally the version of me that I truly want to be. Like I've gotten to that point. I just need to act. I just need to keep doing things. But I'm really happy with who I am now. And I feel like it took a very long time to get to this point. But it feels It honestly feels good to reach it. And I guess I just wanted to share some of that with the camera. It's a good day.